Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can draw Kakashi Hatake. It's one of the most easiest characters to draw. So first of all, we must draw a straight line here, and after that straight shape under the eye. Okay, we draw his eyes. Just one small eye in the center, and after that just a little bit details here and here. Okay, we draw his eye. Very good. After that we should draw something like this. It's his mask on his second eye. We should draw like this, and it's gonna stay here. We draw his mask again like this, shapes, easy shapes. Yeah, it's like just something like this, and I don't know how I can explain it. Here is nose line. You can draw it, you cannot. You will decide it. You will draw it or not. It's his hair here, and the ear must be here. Okay, ears must be here. Okay, we done it. Just a little bit details. The brown should be somewhere like here. Okay. After we continue drawing his bandana, I would say like this. I don't know, what is it? It's something like the bandana, yeah. Unfortunately, but hairs. I have to ways to draw them. Oh my god, okay. Who cares? I didn't think about it when I was starting. So, in the center, we're drawing the straight line, and after that, from here, we should draw something like this. Straight line and straight line. That's it. Straight line and straight line. Drawing something like straight lines everywhere, every time. That's it. If somebody said like drawing is hard, it's not at all. You're just making the lines, they are straight, and you are making a circle in. So it's your drawing. You can make mistakes, yeah, it's okay. Nobody will kill you if you make some mistakes, yeah, as in this moment. Yeah, I know I made a mistake, but that's okay. Everybody will make mistakes sometimes. And hairs, it's just something like this, you know, like straight lines. As big as you want, you can draw them bigger, because in the first season they were so big. In the second season they just was a little bit smaller, but not at all. Yeah, so drawing Kakashi is the most easiest way if you want to start to draw something, if you want to draw something cool. Drawing him really easy. It's really one of the easiest characters in anime, and a lot of people know who is it. So thank you for watching.